What is CAM reconciliation and how can Stratafolio help? Hi, I'm Jeri Frank, co founder and CEO of Stratafolio. Common area maintenance expenses, or CAM for short, are the expenses tenants are responsible for paying in a commercial triple net lease. Typically, an owner or landlord will set a budget for the year and then the tenant will pay their portion monthly. CAM charges typically include parking lot, lighting, landscaping, parking lot maintenance, irrigation systems, just to name a few things. At the end of the year, the landlord or owner will perform a CAM reconciliation. With Stratafolio, you can create your CAM reconciliation report in just seconds and really at any time. And we do this by integrating directly with QuickBooks using the expense categories you want to include. To learn more about Stratafolio and how we can cut down on your manual CAM reconciliation so you can do it in just 3 clicks, contact us today. Thank you.